It's time to discover, it's time to play. So let's get started right away.
Welcome to Loving to Learn. I'm Mrs. Grant, and today we're going to read the book Alphabet Fun. Let's get started. Here is the cover of the book, and it reads Alphabet Fun. Here's a picture of a boy who's playing with alphabet blocks. This book is written and designed by Colleen S. Grant. We turn to the first page. We see a capital A and a small a picture of an apple. Here's the word apple. So we're going to read this page. A, apple, a, because that's the sound the A makes. Read it with me. A, apple, a. We turn the page, and here we have a capital B and a small b, a picture of a bicycle. Here's the word bicycle. So we're going to read this page. B, bicycle, b. Read it with me. B, bicycle, b. Here we have a capital C and a small c, a picture of a cat. Here's the word cat. So we're going to read this page. C, cat, k. Read it with me. C, cat, k. We turn the page. Here we have a capital D and a small d, a picture of a dog. Here's the word dog. So we're going to read this page. D, dog, d. Read it with me. D, dog, d. Here we have a capital E and a small e, a picture of a elephant. That's right. Here's the word elephant. So we're going to read this page. E, elephant, a. Read it with me. E, elephant, a. We turn the page. Here we have a capital F and a small f, a picture of a fish. Here's the word fish. So we're going to read this page. F, fish, read it with me. F, fish. Here we have a capital G and a small g, a picture of a goat. Here's the word goat. So we're going to read this page. G, goat, g. Read it with me. G, goat, g. We turn the page. Here we have a capital H and a small h, a picture of a hat. Here's the word hat. So we're going to read this page. H, hat, h. Read it with me. H, hat, h. Here we have a capital I and a small I. Do you know what this is a picture of? An igloo. Here's the word igloo. So we're going to read this page. I, igloo, I. Read it with me. I, igloo, I. We turn the page. Here we have a capital J and a small j, a picture of a jar. Here's the word jar. So we're going to read this page. J, jar, j. Read it with me. J, jar, j. Here we have a capital K and a small k, a picture of a kite. Here's the word kite. So we're going to read this page. K, kite, k. Read it with me. K, kite. K, k, k. We turn the page. Here we have a capital L and a small l. A picture of a ladybug. Here's the word, ladybug. So we're gonna read this page. L, ladybug. L. Read it with me. L, ladybug. L. Here we have a capital M and a small m. A picture of a moose. Here's the word, moose. So we're gonna read this page. M, moose. Read it with me. M, moose. We turn the page. Here we have a capital N and a small n. Here's a picture of a nest. Here's the word, nest. So we're gonna read this page. N, nest. N. Read it with me. N, nest. N. Here we have a capital O and a small o. Here's a picture of a octopus. Here's the word, octopus. So we're gonna read this page. O, octopus. Read it with me. O, octopus. We turn the page. Here we have a capital P and a small p. A picture of a pig. Here's the word, pig. So we're gonna read this page. P, pig, pa. Read it with me. P, pig, pa. Here we have a capital Q and a small q. A picture of a quilt. Here's the word, quilt. So we're gonna read this page. Q, quilt, qua. Read it with me. Q, quilt, qua. We turn the page. Here we have a capital R and a small r. A picture of a rabbit. Here's the word, rabbit. So we're gonna read this page. R, rabbit. Read it with me. R, rabbit. Here we have a capital S and a small s. A picture of a snake. Here's the word, snake. So we're gonna read this page. S, snake. Read it with me. S, snake. We turn the page. Here we have a capital T and a small t. A picture of a turtle. Here's the word, turtle. We're gonna read this page. T, turtle. T. Read it with me. T, turtle. T. Here we have a capital U and a small u. A picture of an umbrella. Here's the word, umbrella. So we're gonna read this page. U, umbrella. Read it with me. U, umbrella. We turn the page and we have a capital V and a small v. A picture of a violet. Here's the word, violet. So we're gonna read this page. V, violet. Va. Read it with me. V, violet. Va. Here we have a capital W and a small w. Here's a picture of a wagon. Here's the word, wagon. So we're gonna read this page. W, wagon. Wa. Read it with me. W, wagon, wa, wa, wa. We turn the page and we have a capital X and a small x. Here's a picture of an X-ray. Here's the word X-ray. So we're going to read this page. X-ray, x, x, x. Read it with me. X-ray, x, x, x. Here we have a capital Y and a small y. A picture of a yo-yo. Here's the word yo-yo. So we're going to read this page. Y, yo-yo, ya, ya, ya. Read it with me. Y, yo-yo, ya, ya, ya. We turn the page, and here we have the capital Z and the small z. A picture of a zebra. Here's the word zebra. So we're going to read this page. Z, zebra, z, z, z. Read it with me. Z, zebra, z, z, z. Wow, you just read the whole Alphabet Fun Book. Now read this over and over again so that you know all of the sounds the alphabet makes. I am so impressed with what you're doing. Keep up the great work. See you later, alligator.